You can skip this step if you don't have a little mortar. Please don't even worry about it, okay? So I'm going to put about 12 peppercorns in here, about a half a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. Use oregano that you have if you can't find Mexican, okay? And about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. If you don't have cumin seeds, use ground cumin. Same with the pepper. You know, if you don't have peppercorns, just use ground black pepper. That's it, guys. I'm going to set this aside. Slice a small white onion. We just want to slice it thin like this, okay? I have 6 garlic cloves. All I'm going to do is smash them, peel them, and that's it. We're going to use 2 carrots. I'm going to peel them, and we're going to slice them about a 1/4 inch thick, like this, not thick at all, okay? Now the jalapenos, I have 8. As you can see, I washed them. I am going to put gloves on to chop these. It's a lot of them, and I don't want my hands to burn. All right, I'm going to cut off the stems, and I'm simply going to cut these into slices like the carrot. I'm leaving the seeds in, like that. I have 1 cup of water in this measuring cup. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of white distilled vinegar. So up to 2.5. I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil to this pot, or any oil that you have, okay? About a tablespoon. And I'm going to add the onion and the garlic. We're going to cook this garlic and the onion for, 4 or 5 minutes until the onion starts to get translucent and it softens, okay? Now we're going to add the spice. Let that cook for a bit. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. Let those get nice and fragrant. All right, now I'm going to add the jalapenos and the carrot. I'm going to add the liquid. I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of vinegar and another 1/4 cup of water to this. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of sea salt. Use sea salt or kosher salt if you can when you're pickling things. The iodine in regular salt sometimes changes the flavor. But if you don't have a choice, use what you have, okay? We're going to bring this to a boil, reduce the heat, and we want to simmer it until the jalapenos are no longer bright green. All right, these are ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and we're going to transfer them to their jars. I have 2 clean jars here, and I'm going to divide the vegetables into them. I do want one of those bay leaves in each one. Give it a nice little squish so it's all covered in the liquid. I'm going to let these cool down completely. Then I'm going to put the lids on. Then I'm going to refrigerate them at least 24 hours. The longer you let this sit in the vinegar, the better it's going to taste, of course.